Oh my god, I need to stock up my food. Everyone's getting quarantined. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. I need toilet paper. Oh, wipes, freaking wipes. Oh no, what's going on? Wipe it down. Yeah. Oh, we need a pineapple. Wipe it down first. Yeah, cheese. Gotta wipe it down first. Okay. Cheese crackers. Wipe them down. Yeah, Gatorade. Yeah. Bread. Wipe it down. Alright, time to get toilet paper, cause it's the only way to survive this virus. I need toilet paper to survive. It's secure. Okay. No toilet paper, I'm gonna die. Cheese.
5.
We got a lot of stuff in here. Let's finish and pay. What's the...
Your total is 107.68. Please select your payment method or touch return to scan more items.
Okay, so now we're just gonna walk away. Don't be suspicious. Just gonna walk away. Oh yeah, free stuff. Everything was 100% off today. Oh my god, I got all this food. I'm never gonna die of quarantine. I'm stocked up. I'm gonna just try a little bit of it.
1 hour later.
I ate all the food. It's gone. I'm definitely gonna die from this quarantine. Oh, I'm so bored. There's nothing to do. I can't go outside. I'm gonna die. I got one more can of cheese. I'm gonna go spray it on my dad's face while he's sleeping. Let's go. Oh my god. He's never gonna expect it. Oh, he's sleeping. Oh my god, this is perfect. What to do now? Oh, basketball! Yeah. I'm so good at basketball. Let me shoot again. Oh, I hate basketball. I thought I was so good. I was making every shot. I don't know what happened. I'm gonna just go on the computer. Let's go on Amazon and look at stuff I can't afford. Oh my god! Why is the hand sanitizer so expensive? Oh, I got some hand sanitizer. I'm gonna go sell it. I'm gonna make a stand. I'm gonna sell it. I'm gonna make all the money, and I'll be able to buy food again. Cleaning supplies for the low. Come and get your cleaning supplies for the low. Come and get it. We got gloves, we got bleach, we got hand sanitizer. We got everything. Come by. Hey! What can I help you with?
There's a robbery. Give me everything.
Oh no, I'm being robbed. What will I ever do?
You're gonna give me everything, buddy, or else you get shot.
Oh, I'm being robbed.
What? What are you doing?
I'm summoning my people.
You're summoning your people. Oh, that's it. Let me get this over with.
I am immune to bullets. Oh, that stand didn't turn out so good. What?
Me and Sharp Puppet pull up with the Glock. We flexing our riches, we making a lot. Bricks in the dishes, I'm scraping the pot. In the Billy truck, watch the sky out the yacht. I gotta give me that money and then I'ma go miles, I'm making the guap. BB diamonds in her Pandora box. Bitches slime love, we don't fuck with the ops. Oh, we gon' take it out of here. BB diamonds shining on on my neck like Shandon.